where we could be alone. Between city lights, we don't have to hide. I wanna go, do you wanna follow? There's something in the air, I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more, it shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow?
Hey my sweet friends, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another Glam DIY project. Today I'm taking a thrift store bag and turning it into a designer inspired bag. I hope you enjoy. About a year ago, I picked up this cute little wooden bag from my local thrift store. It was the perfect shape and size for the designer inspired look that I was going for. Taking it outside, I started by giving it 2 coats of my favourite black spray paint. I also spray painted the rope handles. While I was waiting for it to dry, I decided to start on the decorative ideas that I had in mind for this little bag. I started by printing out a template of a flower petal and I cut it out. I then took this dollar store glitter foam and using my little petal as a template, I traced it out. You'll then be left with a glitter flower. You're then going to take that template again, and what you're going to do is just cut off one of the petals. We're going to use one of the petals as a template. Now you're going to take another piece of that glitter foam and use your little template and cut out 6 petals.
I could see this through. I could wait another night. One more night, one more night. I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter.
Now I then took something round. This is the top of my spray paint lid, and what I did here, guys, is I just traced a circle onto the glitter foam.
Just holding on to yesterday.
I then also cut that out. You're then going to add your little petals to the flower. Now what I did here, guys, is I just hot glued them in place and I actually pushed them upwards to give that little petal effect. I then took my circle and I hot glued that to the centre.
Shut the blinds, I could deny.
Now I wanted my little flower to be a little Chanel flower, so I printed off this little Chanel logo and I hot glued that to the centre of our flower. Now I then wanted to make my flower a little bigger, so I then cut out a template onto the glitter foam once again and then I hot glued that in place. While it was drying, I then brought in my little bag and I printed out some more decorative pieces. I first of all printed out the Chanel logo, which is in a 6x8 size. Now from my local dollar store, I had this glitter gift tag and I knew it would go perfect on my little bag. So what I did here, guys, is I printed out a small Chanel perfume bottle as my template. Again, taking that glitter foam, I'm going to use this as my template and trace it onto the foam. Then I'm going to cut it out. I then took that template again and I cut out the logo in the middle, as well as the top neck of the bottle. I then hot glued them both in place. I then hot glued them to the centre of the gift tag. I then took some black dollar store craft ribbon and I threaded it through the top and then I tied it to the two handles of my bag. Once you were happy with the result, I then took some more of that black craft ribbon and I also had some small pieces of Chanel ribbon. And what I'm going to do here, guys, is I'm going to hot glue the Chanel ribbon onto the black ribbon first of all. While it was drying, I positioned the Chanel logo and hot glued that to the bottom of the bag. Off camera, I glued my little flower to that Chanel ribbon and then I hot glued it across the top. I then took some of these dollar store gems and I took one off and added it to the centre of my little perfume bottle. Now I love to make little props for my DIYs and I had this dollar store giant ring and I took one of these Spotlight Australia glitter brooches and I hot glued that to the centre. I wish I could get you out of my head, so numb, doing all I can to move but I can't. I then took some of my dollar store bling wrap and what I do here, guys, is I'm going to create a frame for the Chanel logo. Off camera, I also added some dollar store silver pearls that I just draped over from inside the box to the left hand side. My simple DIYs can certainly take on so many variations. I chose here not to put flowers inside the bag, guys, but again, you could definitely take that on and add them to the inside of the bag. So dumb. I wish I could get you out of my head. So make sure you check out your local thrift stores. Come across items that you possibly could have that look like the shape of a bag. Here was a perfect example of that. Now you may want to shop your own homes as well. You may have something in your home that resembles the shape of a bag as well. The possibilities are endless, guys, and it's entirely up to you. I wish I could get you out of my head. I love sharing simple, inexpensive ways for you to decorate your homes. I also love sharing ideas that don't take up a lot of your time. This took me about 2 or 3 hours tops, guys, and that was while waiting for paint to dry as well. So I love how this came together in a couple of hours and I was able to have that glam look I was after. This was one of my highly requested videos, guys, how I could come up with a designer look that was completely inexpensive. I love creating new and exciting things for you, and I always listen to your wonderful feedback. So keep on bringing me wonderful ideas, guys, because I love, love, love bringing them to life for you. Don't forget to share your DIYs with me. I absolutely love, guys, when you recreate them. So please don't forget to follow me over at CHELLESGLAMHOME too on Instagram, because I love reading your messages and I get so excited when I see somebody recreate my DIY. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and tap that notification bell so you'll be aware next time I upload a video. I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelles Glam Home. Movies make it look so easy. 15 minutes then you're breathing. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.